Visst var det. 1,5 kilo. Gipsgjouting. Eller gipsgjutning.
Gipsgjutning. Ja.
Det här blir så vi kan hälla.
Vad fan heter gips på engelska?
Cast.
Allting heter ju cast. Det är ju bara av tekniken.
Nej. Here we go.
All right. Charging. Okay, hello and welcome back. So I guess you realized that this video is out quite a while later than the other three. So what's been going on? Well, I've waited for my sink to arrive. It has been delayed several times because it was out of stock when I ordered it and they didn't get it when they expected. But now, at last, I've got my sink and all the things that come with it, like the tap and this pump, or at least the electrical component of the pump. This is the pump. So yeah, if you can just focus, thank you. Now it's here. And also, if we get out of the car, I've got two 25-liter tanks, and yeah, I've been out on several adventures already without the sink, and it feels kind of nice. You see this curtain I've installed together with my mom just a couple of days ago with 3D printed roof mounts. Just looks like that and goes in there and locks in place. Just great. So now I can have some privacy in the living area. Woo!